What's happening?
Shut up.
Hi, what's up? Today we are doing some holiday baking because we have nothing else to do at 10 p.m. on a Wednesday night.
I mean, I could study, but whatever.
You don't want to study.
No, I don't.
Alright, so let's go. Brownies. Our brownie recipe is coming from Binging with Babish. It's so good. Oh, so good. But then I don't have some of the ingredients. So we improvise.
It's flour. Congrats, we have flour.
That's butter.
Wow, it's butter in a bowl.
No, but this is flour. I said start with the flour.
Wow, congrats. It exists. Dude, I don't know what you put in this.
Oh, this is salt and baking powder.
Okay.
Maybe I'll just give you instructions.
Maybe you should. Actually, no, it's gonna go horribly. I don't remember how to mix things with butter.
Okay, so whisk that.
Yeah. You can't, the table was a mess. You asked me to do one thing, measure one ingredient, and it was just everywhere.
No, it was fine. Anyways, we need to microwave the butter until it's fully melted. Okay, so now that you have your lard melted,
Like sugar.
I didn't do anything. It wasn't my fault.
Okay. Do you want chocolate?
No. Yeah, but what if I just speak in Hokkien and then you just can interpret for me?
Okay, I can do that.
Can you?
As long as it's not the other way around, I could.
Oh, okay, you speak in Hokkien and I'll try to interpret. Okay. Yale.
Next what is next? Oh, espresso
Sorry.
powder, vanilla extract.
Cool.
No.
Oh my god. Okay, what are we doing?
Vanilla. It's teaspoon and espresso.
Yeah, but who actually measures vanilla extract, right?
I don't know. I don't know how to judge a teaspoon.
That looks like a teaspoon.
I don't know how much
Maybe just a bit more.
Teaspoon is.
That looks definitely like a teaspoon.
Are you gonna do that with the espresso too?
Oh, I'm supposed to mix it with the sugar. Oh no!
Oh, we're so dumb.
This isn't even espresso powder. It's okay. That's also probably okay. That's enough. Enough. That looks enough. You know. I think that looks pretty accurate. What do you think?
Sure, yeah, why not? I don't know how to judge measurements ever.
What are we doing? What's the next step?
We need the eggs and the egg yolks.
Oh, okay, so do you want to split the egg yolks or do you want to just crack the eggs?
Is it necessary? What will it do?
What?
Is it necessary?
Because it wants 4 eggs and 2 egg yolks, or 2 egg yolks, yeah.
Yeah, so for 2 of them, we could just put it in, right?
For 4 of them, you can just put the eggs in and then you split the 2 of them.
What do you mean you split 2 of them?
You have to separate the egg yolk and the egg white because it only wants the egg yolk.
Why do we have 6 eggs?
Because you have 4 full eggs plus 2 egg yolks.
I get it.
Equals 6 egg yolks.
Okay. Okay.
Just crack the eggs.
Yeah, I got it.
Can't talk to you anymore. Hey, you missed some sugar.
Oh my god.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
We're no longer siblings.
Oh, break with the eggshell.
Oh my god, no!
It's okay, it's a really big piece. It's really easy to get out.
Yeah, what about the micro pieces?
There are no.
Wait, When do I put in the cocoa powder?
In the next step.
Okay. Are you sure?
Oh, mine doesn't look so bad now, does it? Oh my god, we're so bad at this.
You.
It's okay.
It wasn't my fault. It was the egg's fault. It decided to be like a not good egg. Dun 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 dun. I'm scared now.
In the bowl.
Not in the bowl!
I mean... Can the camera see it?
Probably not. I'm doing an awesome job, but they can't see it. They can't tell. Nobody can tell.
Ooh.
Ew. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Wait, okay, you can do the other one.
Yeah, it's gonna go great. It's gonna go great.
Oh god. I'm kidding. No, it's fine. What if it's not fine?
I don't know.
Oh no, it's fine. I think it's fine. Wait, no, no, no. Okay, you're fine.
Get out. White stuff.
That stuff is fine.
It's fine.
Yeah. It's fine. It's like the umbilical cord of the egg.
Okay.
Mix. Stab and murder your eggs. Okay, let's do vegetable oil first.
I feel like we're somehow doing this wrong.
Why? I'm doing it right.
Okay.
Pass the spatula, please. Why am I doing it wrong?
I don't know. I just always get the feeling.
Okay, so this was supposed to be a half cup of vegetable oil, but the last time we did this recipe, it came out a bit too oily for my liking. It was like deep fried oily.
Gross.
So I have lessened it. And I just kind of eyeballed it again because, you know.
Mm-hmm. Cocoa powder.
As you do. Oh god.
Ugh.
I didn't do it. It wasn't
yes,
me.
you did.
It wasn't me. You're the one who spilled it everywhere. It wasn't me.
Okay, but valid. It's gonna take a while. Oh my god.
Chocolate chips in. Yeah. Oh, I can also use this spatula thing if you don't wanna.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this for, I don't know.
You want me to do it? No. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
I don't know. Usually you're all like, ooh, ingredients and stuff, and I'm doing the stirring.
You mean you're the cheap manual labor?
You mean you're the one doing the actual measuring and kind of work?
Yeah, you're the cheap manual labor.
Okay, fine, yeah. Did you ever?
Yo, you got lumps of cocoa powder just chilling out.
I didn't say I was good cheap manual labor.
That's typically what happens, you know? It's like quality over quantity. You know, so you're cheap, so then it's like bad. But then if you were like a 5-star chef and I was paying you $1,000 an hour, it'd be good. Mm-hmm. I wouldn't have lumps in my.
I'll try my best.
Are you though?
Yes. You know I'm not good at stuff. But like when my friends bake with their sisters too, they're like, oh yeah, cause they got younger sisters instead of older sisters, and they're like, oh yeah, my younger sister usually does mixing stuff. So I'm like, huh, it's a trend. There's a pattern.
Yeah, it's cheap manual labor.
I think it's good, right?
I don't know. Can't tell. If it's bad, then it's your fault.
We're gonna like pour it in and see a clump of cocoa somewhere. In a separate bowl, combine blah 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 blah. Oh god, it's closed, right?
I think it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want it to be like this.
Maybe we haven't added this.
Yeah, I think we should probably fold that one in. So I'm gonna get rid of the whisk.
Okay. Use stuff. Oh my god, mom's gonna kill me.
Yeah, oh, I fixed it. 2020 is finally over, which is good.
Yeah, but 2021.
You don't know. Here you
Yeah, I hope people
go. Do you
will.
want extra chocolate chips?
Thanks for waiting for my answer.
Okay.
It's a really weird position.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna fold in the flour. You don't have to worry about over mixing apparently.
Really?
I don't know. I was supposed to use bread flour. I just used regular flour.
Well, is there a big difference?
Not really. We're gonna take our parchment lined baking tray. There's a specific size, I just don't know it. You can go to this side if you want.
Okay.
And you can heap it in. You wanna heap it in? You can heap it in. Just like a block. Yeah, just like a block. We made that.
Wow.
That's a thing.
Wow, it's a thing.
It's our food baby.
A food baby.
It's a food baby.
Food baby.
Boing, tink. Needs rum. Thanks for doing the dishes, kitchen wench.
Thanks for hiring me, cheap manual labor.
What do I pay you in?
I don't know. I don't actually know.
I know you don't get paid.
I don't get paid.
You're so cheap, you're free.